Good morning, children. So it's very important that you all know your helpers, okay? Community helpers or the people who help us. So our today's topic will be helpers. So who are helpers? Okay, who are these helpers? Okay, somebody who is helping you to do things in the community. Okay, so is the example doctor, teacher, tailor, postman, the person who gives you the newspaper. Yes, they are all helpers. The people who you find sweeping on the streets, policemen. Yes, okay, so we are going to learn a few helpers and the duties they do. Okay, so first is a postman. What does a postman do? What is the duty of a postman? So a postman brings letters to your house. Okay, now there are different modes of sending you a post. You have speed post, you can they can send you a courier, or there can be a mail that can be sent to you. So usually a postman is allotted to bring letters from the post office and give it to you at your house. Okay, then we used to have people who used to sell milk in cans. Yes, now we have packet milk, so we go to the shop and buy it, or we have a person who's coming and dropping the milk at our doorstep. Okay, so we call them, they are usually called as a milkman. So what is the work of a milkman? A milkman brings milk to your house or my house. Okay, then what is the duty of a teacher? What is the work of a teacher? Okay, what does a teacher do? A teacher teaches us. So the duty of a teacher is, a teacher teaches us. Doesn't the teacher teach you? Yes. Okay, so why do you go to a doctor? When you are sick, you go to the doctor, right? So what does the doctor do for you? He checks you. Yes, he uses the stethoscope to check you. Yes, he uses a thermometer. So the doctor wants to help you to get cured, right? He wants you to get cured. So he gives you treatment. So what does the doctor do? How does the doctor help you? So the doctor helps you by giving you the right treatment to feel better, right? So a doctor treats you when you are sick. Yes, when you are sick, what does the doctor do? The doctor treats you. What is the duty of a cobbler? What does a cobbler do? Why do we go to a cobbler? Okay, who is this cobbler now? Do you know who this cobbler is? The person who you go to when your shoes are torn, or when your slippers are cut open, or the strap is broken. You go to the cobbler and he mends your shoes. So what does a cobbler do? He mends your shoes. How does he mend your shoe? He either stitches it, or he uses one very strong glue to stick your slipper or shoes. Yes? So the duty of a cobbler is to mend your shoes. So mending shoes means getting your shoes repaired. Okay? So the duty of a cobbler is to mend your shoes. A cobbler mends our shoes. Then, what is the duty of a mason? Do you know what the duty of a mason is? Who is a mason? A mason is a person who helps to build buildings, helps to build homes. Yes? So a mason is a person who helps build your house or buildings or school. Okay? Then what is the work of a tailor? What does a tailor do? So who is a tailor? A tailor is a person who takes your measurement and gets your dress or your uniform or your birthday dress or your dresses stitched. So a tailor gets it stitched. A tailor is a person who stitches yours or mine and everybody's clothes. Okay, until it is stitched you can't wear, right? So you just buy a piece of cloth and you give it to the tailor. He takes your measurement and he stitches it for you. So a tailor stitches our clothes. Okay, then what is the duty of a carpenter? You know who a carpenter is? Yes, a carpenter is a person who uses wood to work, right? So what does this carpenter do? He cuts the wood, he fixes it, he fixes the stand, he fixes the tables, he fixes the chairs, right? So all the chairs and tables that you sit on in your school are made by the carpenter. Okay? So what does a carpenter make? What is it called? What are these things called? Tables, chairs, what are they called? They are called furnitures, right? They are called furniture. So the cupboard, the wardrobe in your house, if it is made of wood, the carpenter has to come and make it. So what is the work of a carpenter? A carpenter makes furniture. Okay? So a carpenter is a person who makes furniture. Okay, then there's this person who's called a plumber. Okay? Who is this plumber? So if there's any problem with the taps and pipes or any leakage in your kitchen or in your house, in your school or anywhere, who is the person who comes and fixes the problem? It is a plumber. Who comes and fixes the problems of taps and pipes? It is a plumber. So generally we call for a plumber to come and repair our taps and pipes. Okay, so a plumber is a person who repairs our taps and pipes. Then who paints the walls? What is a person who paints our walls called? Okay, so we are getting ready for Christmas or something. We usually get our homes painted, right? Or if there's a big occasion in your house, like your uncle is getting married or there's a big wedding that is coming up, they generally tend to paint the houses inside. They paint the walls so that it looks nice and neat, right? So that time who do you call for? You call for a painter to come and paint your house. So what is the duty of a painter? Okay, there are other people who are called painters as well, but generally the work that a painter does is painting. So what does a painter do? He paints the walls. So a painter is a person who paints the walls. Okay, then we have a watchman. Who is this watchman? At your school you have a watchman, right? So what does he do? What does the watchman do? He sits there and he guards our school, right? The watchman sits at his place at the entrance of the school and he guards our school. He guides the people to where they have to park. He helps the children from not going out of the gate. Yes? So the duty of a watchman is to guard our school. Okay? So what does a watchman do? A watchman guards our school. Okay. Now all of you all know there are these people called as policemen, right? There are policemen, right? So how many of you are afraid of policemen? So many of us are afraid, right? Okay, so what does this policeman do? The policeman is a person who we go to when we have some very big problems, right? Like if there's a theft in your house, or if if you have lost something. So the policeman generally helps you to solve your problems. Okay, that's what policemen are there for, to help you solve your solve big problems. Okay, not small problems, like very big problems, like the one thief has walked into your house and just taken your TV and your fridge and whatever your belongings are. To whom should you go? You should go to the police. Okay, so the policeman helps in solving crimes. Yes, the policeman helps in solving crimes. What is the work of a farmer? okay, there is a person called as a farmer. Okay, a farmer is one of those very important helpers that we have, right? Because of farmers we get grains and pulses and wheat in our day-to-day lives. Okay, if we don't have farmers, we will not get all these things. Yes, so a farmer is the one who slogs for us, who really works hard for us in the fields. Yes, so a farmer is a person who works in fields. Okay, so what is the duty of a farmer? He does lot of plowing. Yes, he does lot of he grows lot of things for us, like wheats, grain, like I told you earlier. Yes, so a farmer works in the field. Okay, so then there is another person who stands in the border of our country. Yes, he is a soldier. Okay, they are mainly called as border security, but we know them as soldiers. So what is the work of the soldier? The soldier guards our entire country. Yes, so these people, they protect us from any harm. Okay, so soldiers are the people who protect the people of our country. Yes, okay, so children, these are a few helpers that we need to remember. Okay, so try to grasp them, and I'll be sending you the activity based on this next week. Thank you.